Hello everybody, I'm Alex Rubin with the New Jersey Second Amendment Society. As many of you know, we've been going after many towns that have been violating New Jersey's law when it comes to applying for a gun permit. We went after Jackson, we prevailed. We have about 25 other towns that we've sued in the past or gone after, and we've prevailed. The next town that we're going after and we're going to expose and file complaints against, and possibly another lawsuit, is the city of Jersey City. The city's different. Why? Because they've been sued before. In 2014, Jersey City lost a major lawsuit that demanded they drop their additional requirements and follow the law. Specifically, the legislature and the superintendent of the state police must authorize any requirement or condition for issuance of a handgun permit that goes beyond the terms of the statute and the state police. NJ2AS launched our undercover investigation in 2016 to track and follow if they're going to be abiding by the court order and New Jersey state law and the state police guideline. Of course, they haven't been doing that, hence why we're going to be going after them and filing a complaint at the Hudson County Prosecutor's Office. We caught up with the police chief on Tuesday night to ask him about this and see if they're still abiding by the law or they're violating it. Surprisingly, he said that they rectified the issue and that the city is now abiding by the law and not having any additional requirements.
Gun rights supporters criticize the Jersey City Police Department that I've spoken to that you don't abide by the law when it comes to the permitting process. And I believe you were even sued over that, and Jersey City lost, and the judge said you have to follow the law, but from my understanding, Jersey City is still doing the same process as before, requiring additional requirements, something along the line?
Yeah, no, that's been all rectified. You can walk into the chief's office and you can have a gun permit, in 30 days or less.
30 days?
So yeah, I mean, they've pushed that. There's a lot of different dynamics involved here. There's fingerprint checks, background checks that we don't control the time limit that comes back. And anything that's outside of what the law calls for, we don't have anymore. So we're styled right after what the law is.
So if somebody goes to the police department tomorrow, from when I looked at it, you require 2 forms, background check and the mental health check, and
Correct.
2 references. That's all the police department requires now?
That's it.
That's it?
Yep.
Okay. Well,
So, let's find out. We went to the police department the following day, picked up a packet, and spoke to the person there to find out more information.
If you want to try to get a gun, that's the form you're going to fill out.
And if I want to do it today, can I fill it out today and submit it?
No, because they're going at, if you read it, they leave at 3.
Oh, okay.
First you got to go online and do 2 pages online.
All right. What's today's date, by the way?
7.
All right. And surprise, they're still requiring additional requirements and also requiring a very, very scary release that would literally allow the Jersey City Police Department to go into your bank records, school records, your personal records, anywhere they want to go. And you have sealed, confidential, private information, they will have a right, because you waived it by signing that agreement, to release any and all information and make Jersey City completely immune from any legal action. That's a very scary thought. And the fact that they're still demanding this information for firearm applications is even scarier. The fact that they've been getting away with it for so long after they were sued, after they lost, and a judge said, you can't do this, is even more concerning. In 2016, NJ interviewed Mayor Fulop about this, and he arrogantly claimed that they believe the city is following the law.
Jersey City Mayor Stephen Fulop defended the police department's firearms permitting process.
We think we follow the state law, and we think New Jersey has some of the strictest laws, and we're conscious of where we lie in those laws to make sure that we're always adhering to them.
But that's not the point. The point is that the law is in place. The law clearly states that no additional requirements or conditions can be applied when it comes to applying for a gun permit. The judge also upheld that issue, and the city is still violating that law. We're filing a complaint at the Hudson County Prosecutor's Office Friday or Monday. We need your support for this. You can find a copy of the complaint in this article. Just click on the link and let us know what your thoughts are.